Well, what I noticed immediately after my surgery was I just didn't have the swelling that I expected to have, and I didn't have the pain that so many other people said that they had had. My doctor, the nurses, and people I've spoken to have had a similar procedure prepared me for more pain than I experienced, and whether I was just fortunate or not, I don't know, but I think the CryoZone had a big part in it, because my shoulder never really experienced any significant amount of swelling, nor did my elbow or anywhere through my arm, and I recovered quickly. Where a lot of people with my surgery were having sleep issues for weeks afterwards, I was sleeping in a bed full nights within a week. What I tell everyone is the experience would be similar to walking outside your back door on a 20 or 30 degree morning in a pair of shorts. Typically the first minute for me is starting to get a little cool, and the second minute it's starting to get pretty cold, but by the time you really start to get cold, it's over. I make referrals quite often because we have a lot of athletes that are working out intensely, and we've got some pretty great stories. I mean, we have a former professional player, baseball player who trained here for a while, and he swore that he slept better, swore that his workouts, his recovery from his workouts was enhanced. We've had some amazing stories from a collegiate athlete that had worked out here who, coming off an ACL repair, saw dramatic improvements in the decrease in his swelling in his leg within a 24-hour period. So we've got some pretty great stories that we can share with people, and they're stories that are convincing. And for athletes that are in a very busy year-round schedule, a lot of baseball players, basketball players tend to be that way, it's just a great way to enhance your recovery.